Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to allow camera access on TikTok. Ensuring TikTok has access to your phone's camera is essential for creating content. This guide walks you through easy steps to enable camera access, troubleshoot common issues, and understand privacy concerns. Whether you're granting access through settings or directly in the app, there's more to consider, especially regarding your data privacy. Here's concise, step-by-step guide to allow TikTok to access your phone's camera. First, access phone settings. Start by opening the Settings app on your phone. You can find the Settings app on your home screen, typically represented by gray gear icon. Scroll down through the list of apps, tap on Apps, then search for TikTok. Tap on TikTok to open its settings menu. In the TikTok settings, locate the camera or permission. Toggle the switch next to camera to enable it. This action will allow TikTok to access your camera. To ensure the camera access is working, open the TikTok app, then tap the plus icon to create a new video, and if the camera activates without issues, the permissions have been successfully granted. By following these steps, you ensure that TikTok can use your phone's camera for recording videos, allowing you to fully utilize the app's features. You can grant TikTok access to your phone camera directly from the app. This method is quick and bypasses the need to navigate through your phone's settings. Open the TikTok app on your phone, go to your profile, and tap Access Settings. In the settings, find the Privacy section and tap on App Permissions and enable camera access. Then return to the app and verify that the camera is working properly. Following these steps will let you grant TikTok camera access directly from the app without needing to go through the phone settings. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.